this morning. See my baby here. She's still not feeling like herself. But she feel better than how she feel yesterday. Yesterday I couldn't go to work. They're supposed to work evening shift. But I did already know from like the night before, so I didn't go to work. So I just call in, obviously. Tell him I cannot come, which was a win because I would not go to anybody else. Our granny, our uncle, and what she loves so much, she's not going to anybody. But this morning she feel a little bit better because she got her granny and she got her uncle a little bit and she joke around a little bit. But I come lay down right here so now. So I gotta do this little Shein haul and she come lay down upon me. So right now I can't budge, so I'll soon come again. Alright, so I already should get her tea. A mint. I'm not telling you what you should about her tea. I just go hurry up with mint and Guinean in there. And I put piece of lime in there because lime not good for cold lime and onion and them thing there. So, and she a drink it. So if it can make her feel better, I don't know. So yeah, I can do this real quick. I have to tear out the package them as I'm telling you and dash the bag around because I'm not put the bag on my bed. Put a guinea in there on my bed because our granny I put it under her little pillow thing when she sleep on. So, but yes, let's get into this unboxing, honey. Guys, I'm so easy to distract you. I want my Christmas present. But that's not a good Christmas present. So when we done this, I'm sure. But I got some more bows for Ari. And bear in mind, these are still, them are the last, I should say, of my free packages. I told me pick them up yesterday. Last of my free things. I have no more free things that comes. Anything else me ever come, I have to pay for. I'm going to get some bow for Ari. She can't have too many bows, right? I love to put bow in her ear. But I haven't got it back in the bag because she have a little jar thing. I'm going to put them in there. These are some socks for her. She have one right now. Well, I can't see. Mind you, them. Yes, me I get sick now too. Mind you, them look kind of small. I think when I order them, I put 1 to 2 year old, so I think them would a little bit bigger, but them can't wear. Like them look small, but them stretch on her foot. Okay. She said she want to watch Rachel, so I'm just turn on for Rachel for her. Well, yeah, them are fair. And I got some free socks for me as well. Yeah, them are my free socks. I have one too. No, my free socks. I just socks. I think a 20 pair enough for me, 20 pair enough for Iris. So I'm going to get them striped one, yeah? I'm going to get them plain one, yeah? Yeah. Need stuff. What else there? Oh, I'm showing the bag, yeah. It's not cute. Tell the truth what God love. And it come with a little strap. Right, just want a little something where you can just drop like a card in or something. I like it. It's sturdy. And it come with a little strap here. Look here, no sun out of them. I can't tell not much day now, no sun, no shine. Not even a little peep. So I might wash to them, maybe, I don't know. Because Ari is still like, obviously she shouldn't feel better, but if she's still like stuck up on me. And when you're weak, you still find energy for your cuss people. This is the bag, honey.
You feel a little better?
It's short, but it can't extend. It just can't extend. I like it. What is this? Oh, they may have some shirt for me.
You know, I can know anything.
Drinking. The mess on top. I think I like one set of 4. No black one do in there. So it's just a set of 4. This is a plain white one, I think. Can't we go work? Cause it's a white. You're supposed a white? Yeah, white or red top is supposed to wear.
No, full white.
A full white, not that funny.
It's half white. It's white.
Well, a white, you know.
It's not a black one either.
This is a black one. And this one I like pink. I not eat the material. Oh, this plain. I just some little plain shirt. Come in, I have no shirt. Down through the chimney. Oh, this one want to set something for iron. Like it's a set with 10 piece, them call it, but a 5 suit in it.
Alright, wait.
I just text them.
If you call April, then go and find my video for it out.
You look fat for Iris still. Lavender. I don't can see them. Pink, grey, peach, light pink. And all of them come with the matching top, a long sleeve top them. So yeah. And then I still feel like they warm, you know. They may just for wear on the yard and sit because they don't feel warm.
Bye, later going to work, yes.
Ho, ho, ho.
Water?
No water? Some right there. Oh, let me have some more top. Because I don't have no top. Yeah, but the money can wake up on the road if I run go do something there. So I'll say something. A large. Black, white and brown. Not the same thing them, just different color. If Iris start to feel like a bit of me and her got Burger King later. I don't know what I lady to come out of my background, you know. What else there? Oh, this is iron. Someone onesie for iron. You're agreeing about I don't need them. That's it. I don't need it. Like she doesn't need it, but tell me say it's not cute. Better try get it in a like one Christmas print, but I couldn't get none. I'm gonna see that cold print and I'm like, no man, this way too cute. And it warm, supposed to feel the material. Ooh. So yeah. On a particularly cold day, she can put it on and keep herself warm and them things. I have another bag. I have another bag. That one is more simple. It give me more of a like a pouch vibes. Now when you come with a little coin purse, that's what I name, and the strap, obviously. That's for me. Ho, ho, ho. Am I going to work, mommy? I'll go pop up on our road there. Later on when you feel a little bit better. Yeah, that one there. And it can't extend too. So go. What else there? It look like it done. Oh no, just this left. This is a sweater. And look, it nearly look like it match with that joggers there. Ooh. You like fuzzy door. Ooh, yes, honey. May I get sick now? You know, may I go drink liquid day quill. Don't look at my breast, though. That's it. Oh, I'm just gonna end up the vlog. I'm realize I'm gonna show no my my sister done sent me my Christmas gift. Let me show ya. So first of all, I did have this already. My niece did carry one from foreign for me. I'm gonna know if you remember. I don't know if you remember when I got a clarinet for my grandmother's funeral. Somebody teeth it, cause it never lasts. It never take foot and walk. Somebody teeth it. So she did email me and say I want back one. She like asked me like, what you want for Christmas? And I tell her I just want back my love spell. And I got my love spell myself. I love how the scent smell. Ooh. So watch me now think say I love spell alone me I get for my Christmas. Well I no brace for impact. It dry. It dry. Okay. Then watch my sister Shein. Watch my sister Shein. When you can't read, you don't read that. I should put a little Merry Christmas April. My tell for color say I spell my name with Y. A-P-R-Y. She was my mother always spell it, but I just me change it. I said mom spell it with Y. But yeah, my sister come through with some Pandora for me. Tell me if me not bougie now. You see it here? Real cute, and she put some charms on it already. But I already tried it on. Come on, I don't know. You can't go see it, or you can see that when it says sister. You can't see it. It says sisters. This is a little lock one, and it's a partner in crime. Oh, them two, yeah. Wait there. Once a one of a kind. I got this little butterfly. Cute little butterfly. Once a something else. Where there? It says something like, I don't remember. I think it says something like you don't always see them, but they're always there. Yes, you don't always see them, but they're always there. I love this. Me I contemplate if me feel like wear it every day, like never take it off. I just like wear when me I go out. Not the bling bling. I can't open it myself because I write down and say it open. Right down and say it open, I don't have no fingernail for open it. But I girl, love it. I never know see a sort Pandora stain. Because watch ya. It come with all instruction manual. But I love it and I'm so grateful. One of them days I go Christmas gift shopping because I want to get everybody in my family a little gift, even if it's not expensive, and it's not expensive because I know the girl that have the money. Okay, but I still want to try to get everybody a little something. So I have a little bow and scrunchie in there. Yeah. Can't have too much bow. But yeah, that's it, guys. Big up on yourself. Oh, somebody didn't want me to talk about me get the free things them. Look, what am I to tell you now? I have an old phone. I think my niece take it back from me. I can't find it, but I had an old phone when nobody no use. Like I know them old phone them. It's a smart phone, you know, but it's old. Nobody no use it. So each time I get the free things, Penny, I had to reset the phone, factory reset it, erase everything. Go up on TikTok for get a new code. You have to unto TikTok for the code them. And make a new email address for yourself. And that is how I get the free things them. But right now I now look because you see how long it takes to pick up them 4 little package I did have down there. Now I don't want no more. I don't want no more. I can't manage too much now. So yeah, give it a try. If you have an old phone, the thing is you don't want to do it on your personal phone because you're not going to want to factory reset your phone and lose everything with the pan there. You understand? But yeah, that's enough. Wait there, thumbnail. Keep on a drop out. Thumbnail. Alright guys, me saw the look